Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that might be sparking your interest more than you'd like: static electricity. Have you ever walked across a carpet and then zap? You get a little shock? Or maybe you've noticed your clothes sticking together straight out of the dryer. Well, you're not alone, and today, we're tackling this shocking issue. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Understanding static electricity. First things first, what is static electricity? It's all about electrons. When certain materials rub against each other, like your shoes on the carpet, electrons jump from one object to another. This leaves you with a positive or negative charge, ready to be released as a static shock. According to a study by the University of Illinois, this is a basic principle of physics, and it happens to everyone. Step 2. Increase humidity. Dry air is a big contributor to static buildup. So, a simple way to reduce static is by using a humidifier in your home, especially in winter. Research from the National Institute of Standards and Technology shows that increased humidity can help prevent static charges from building up. Step 3. Use metal to your advantage. If you're about to touch a door handle or another metal object, first touch it with something metal, like a key or a metal hanger. This can help dissipate the charge harmlessly. This method is backed by principles of conductivity, as explained by the American Physical Society. Step 4. Moisturize your skin. Applying moisturizing lotion can help reduce static shocks. Dry skin increases the likelihood of static electricity, so keeping your skin hydrated is a simple yet effective strategy, as noted by dermatologists in a study from the American Academy of Dermatology. Step 5. DIY AntiStatic Solutions. You can make your own anti-static spray. Just mix a bit of fabric softener with water and spray it lightly on your clothes. This tip comes from a household cleaning study by the University of Kentucky. Step 6. Laundry tips. When doing laundry, consider using wool or rubber dryer balls. These can help reduce static in clothes as they tumble around. This is a tip often recommended by laundry experts, as it's a natural and chemical-free solution. Step 7. Ground yourself. If you're constantly getting shocked, try grounding yourself. Before touching a metal object, first touch a grounded metal object to release the static charge. This is a method often used in industrial settings to prevent static buildup, as discussed in safety guidelines by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA. Remember, static electricity is a common issue, especially in dry environments. But with these simple steps, you can keep the sparks at bay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear your own tips and experiences with static electricity.